Teaching values to children, the role of family in moral development. Teaching values to the children is so very important. This is what turns them into human beings that are considerate and responsible. Families are immensely influential in this respect. Parents and other caregivers form the first layer of teachers regarding values. Children learn from what they observe and hear at home. In this sense, one of the ways to teach values is by example. Parents should be able to express mercy, honesty, and respect. Without a doubt, children will imitate the actions once they see these examples. For example, if parents are honest, then children will learn about being truthful. Another one is talking with them. They have to discuss what is right and wrong among the family members. The explanation of values can be told through stories or examples. This would help the kids envision the reaction of other people towards their actions. Other ways include house rules. Setting house rules provides clear, specific rules about what behavior is or is not acceptable for the child. For example, teaching please and thank you shows respect. It also helps to have quality time with the family. Helping others or volunteering also teaches kids to be concerned about the well-being of others. They will learn the importance of sharing and teamwork. Families should also become more patient and consistent. In teaching values, these cannot happen overnight. It takes time for children to learn and practice good morals. Conclusion: families do play a major role in teaching values to children. Setting examples, talking, and spending time with each other is a way a family can instill strong morals into children. These are the values that will guide the living of their lives, to enable them to make rightful choices. A loving and supportive family is the best place for children to learn and grow. Balancing work and family life, tips for busy parents. Most parents find it challenging to balance work and family life. Experiencing so many responsibilities is quite overwhelming. But with proper planning and good habits, parents can easily manage both their work and family commitments with success. Finding this balance is important if one aims at keeping themselves happy, as well as fostering the best family bonding. The one helpful tip here is planning and arranging work. Parents should plan their day or week, writing down priorities. For example, they have to highlight hours for work, family gatherings, or children's homework so that nothing would be omitted. Using calendars or apps can make scheduling much easier and more effective. Setting boundaries is another advice. Busy parents need to separate work and family time whenever possible. That would mean no checking work emails or taking work calls during family time. All that does is make parents actually be there for their children, playing with them and building memories. By the same token, a mind only preoccupied with work at the workplace enables parents to be more efficient in productivity while lessening their stress level. Sharing responsibilities is another secret to attaining balance. Parents can engage their children in simple household chores to save time and also teach the children responsibilities. Besides, seeking help from partners, family members, or babysitters relieves them during busy times. Last but not least, there is self-care. Healthy and well parents are way more capable of dealing with stress. Many habits that are pretty simple include regular exercise, proper nutrition, and rest that lead to improved energy and mood. In sum, work and family life can balance if one plans, sets boundaries, shares responsibilities, and cares for oneself. Busy parents can achieve a healthy balance in life by using their time judiciously and focusing on what is most important. A well-balanced life brings about stronger relationships, lesser stress, and satisfaction for both parents and their children. The importance of family time. Family time is very important. It makes the family members closer to each other. Spending time together shows love and care. It also creates happy memories that last forever. One of the reasons why family time is important is that it strengthens relationships. When the families spend their time together, they talk and share their feelings. This helps them understand each other better. It builds trust, respect, too. Besides this, there is family time, which is entertaining and relaxing. Activities carried out together like playing games or movies make everybody happy. In this way, a family can fill their lives with laughter and joy, reduce stress, and make the atmosphere positive. Another advantage of family time is imparting values. Parents can utilize this time to teach their children about kindness, honesty, and respect. They can share a story or do an activity together that shows the importance of these values. Children learn best when they see their family doing good things. It also solves a lot of problems because through family time, they can discuss and solve various issues. That way, everyone will feel supported and cared for. Family time is, therefore, very important to be provided. Every day or week, time has to be set aside for being together as a family. Simple activities such as taking meals together or going for a walk can make much difference. Family time is, therefore, very important in bringing up the best relationships. It brings happiness, teaches values, and solves problems. The time spent with the family brings love and support that will last a lifetime. When families make time for each other, it grows closer and stronger every day. How families can support each other. Families play a very vital role in the life of every one of us. They are always a source of love, care, and encouragement. Supporting each other in the family cements bonds and makes for a happy home. There is a variety of ways families can offer support and help to each other. One major way is through communication. Talking about one's feelings and problems openly helps build trust. When family members listen with care and show understanding, it shows every member is valued. It also makes people closer through the sharing of thoughts and ideas. It is also support when the family members help one another with chores or tasks in everyday life. A parent helps the child with school assignments, the child aids with the cleaning or cooks a meal. That way, if everyone takes part, it lessens tension and thus, lightens life for everyone. Sometimes all it takes are the little actions helping out, or even being there to make all the difference. Encouragement is also very vital to support family members. In the sense of praising each other's achievements, however small, encouragement boosts confidence. For instance, a parent cheering their child during a sporting event or just a sibling advising through difficult times builds a strong sense of belonging. Quality time together is very essential. Such examples are dinner nights, movie nights, or trips that will bring delight and create memories that are worth remembering. These moments provide an avenue for families to be connected and relaxed. In other words, this is how families can support one another, through communication, teamwork, encouragement, and quality time. With such efforts, strong relationships and a loving environment are created. A supportive family helps every member grow and feel secure. Working together, it is easy for families to meet any challenge and celebrate all successes. Family. Fun family activities, creating memories through shared experiences. Spending time together as a family is very important. It builds strong bonding and makes all the members feel closer to one another. Fun family activities are an ideal way of building happy memories and sharing lots of joy. There are so many simple yet exciting things a family can do together in order to strengthen the bonding. One of such fun activities is the preparation of dinner all together. The family can cook dinner or bake different sweets, like cookies. It is a perfect method of teaching children something new and having fun in the kitchen. Everybody can share ideas, laugh at, and enjoy the delicious food they made together. Another great thing to be enjoyed as a family is outdoor activities. A picnic in the park, hiking through a nature trail, or playing games in the backyard are just some of the exciting options families can do. In this way, families maintain activities for keeping fit, breathing fresh air, and being with nature while bonding. Other such perfect activities that one could have with their family are indoor games and movie nights. Board games, card games, or puzzles are a great way to build teamwork and bring lots of laughter. Watching your favorite movie together, having popcorn and blankets, is cozy and a time to relax for all. Artistic and craft activities are also great. The families can paint or make other handmade decorations, scrapbooks, etc., which will allow them to express themselves and something special from this time. More importantly, the fun family activities like cooking, outdoor activities, games, and crafts build relationships and memories of great times. They encourage teamwork, elicit laughter, and make loved ones closer to one another. As people spend time with each other, families create experiences that will last a lifetime to be cherished by everyone. Fun family activities open the door to a home full of happiness and connections. How I relax after a busy day? I like to relax and unwind after a long, busy day. Relaxed, I feel much better and energized for the next day. I have a few very simple activities that help me relax and be unflappable. Taking a warm bath is my stress reliever. The warm water relaxes my muscles and cools my mind off. I also enjoy soft music playing while I take a bath. This drives the stressors away from my thoughts and makes me calm. The other way that I relax is when reading a book. I like reading because it takes me into another world. Whether it is a novel or any magazine, reading calms me down when I am worried about something. It also helps in catching sleep before night. The other thing that relaxes me is being outdoors. When possible, I love to take a walk in the park or sit outside in my garden. The fresh air and quiet environment soothe me and make me refreshed. Being surrounded by nature makes me feel closer to the world around me. Sometimes I derive a lot of fun from sitting still and not doing a thing. I like to shut my eyes, breathe deeply, and clear my mind. At that moment of silence, I tend to release my stress. Finally, relaxation after a busy day brings calmness into my well-being. Whether this is accomplished by taking a warm bath, reading a book, appreciating nature, or sitting in quiet silence, each of these activities helps me be in a calm state for the next day. Taking time to relax means being healthy and happy. The bonding of the family through communication. Communication is the key to bonding a family. When family members communicate well with one another, they develop a bigger attachment to one another. Good communication allows for understanding of one another, solving problems, and showing care. One of the ways that one-way communication helps a family is with understanding. When the members of the family converse openly, they get to share their thoughts and feelings, thus, the others will understand them by knowing what they need or what bothers them. It may avoid misunderstandings. The good thing about communication is that even many problems get resolved by it. Challenging situations in families require family members to talk over the problem, a first step towards solving the issue. Families go through difficulties and get over them through listening and joint effort. This joint effort reinforces their solidarity and trust. Additionally, communication demonstrates love and appreciation. Some small things like telling a family member "I love you" or asking him or her how their day was, may mean a lot of difference. Positive communication gives the opportunity for the family member to feel loved and valued. This emotional support will solidify relationships in the family. Communication is also very key in teaching and guiding. It will help parents teach the child what is right and wrong, and even life skills. Children learn by what their parents say or do. It helps guide them to become responsible adults when the communication is effective. Families need to make time for communication. This can be during dinner, evening walks, or even before retiring to bed. The time spent talking helps everyone connect with each other. Communication is the key to building up the bond among family members. It helps in understanding, works out problems, and shows love and care. Families that do communicate well are closer, more supportive, and happier. Openness and communication forms the very foundation of good family relationships. The significance of family meals, nutrition and connection. Family meals are much more than an opportunity to intake food. They are an avenue for developing healthy relationships and inculcating good behavior in family members. Eating together as a family ensures good nutrition and helps to connect emotionally. This simple tradition has many benefits for all family members. One major benefit of family meals is improved nutrition. When families cook and eat together, they are more apt to have healthy, home-cooked meals. These can include fresh fruits, vegetables, and balanced portions of protein and grains. This helps the children develop better eating habits and does not give them the temptation to eat fast foods and other junk foods. Regular family meals also teach kids about portion control and the importance of eating nutritious food. More than health benefits, family meals consolidate emotional links. This is because, while sitting together on the table, one gets to say how their day went and, if need be, speak about feelings. In other words, all this open communication helps parents know their children more and makes everyone feel safe. Besides, it provides lasting memories for their adulthood. Family meals can also teach important life skills. In allowing the children to help with cooking, setting, or cleaning up, they learn responsibility and how to work together as a team. Small tasks like these will be building blocks to future independence and make them want to contribute to the family. Conclusion: a family meal is essential for both nutrition and bonding. They contribute to healthy eating, tighten the bonding of families, and teach life skills as well. In today's chaotic world, making the difference in the well-being of a family by spending time together and sharing a meal means much. Family meals can be an easy recipe for a happy home and a healthy one.